Park affiliate. Get 15% off using code SEMIPROLIVE for things like this and this. Before you make a purchase, you can even use the visor visualizer and choose between your favorite colors and make the best decision on your purchase. Oh, and did you talk about the see you this weekend.
Bulldogs. Let's go. Okay. Kyle, you ready? Where your flag? Kyle, where your flag?
Where are we going?
Hey, you're going to be second quarter on this side.
All right, folks, we are live. This is Channing Humphrey with Semi-Pro Live. And we've got the Bulldogs going head-to-head against the Bolts. Big-time matchup against two traditional Northern powerhouses. What's up, big dog? Gotta get my guy on camera. And this is a North Texas occasion right here. We've got all the favorites. It'd be like that.
Your voice sound familiar. Did you tell me to take the Impact?
Yes, I did. Impact Cali War.
I watched that game.
Hold on, now I'm on camera. You know the Spartans fired me because I thought they were still the Dallas Spartans. I gotta speak on that. How am I supposed to know their internal politics?
You know what's funny? I played for the Dallas Mustangs.
You know what's funny? When I first did women's football, it was when the Mustangs were the Spartans.
Yeah, I know what Maria.
And then they had the lawsuit.
Yeah,
so when I came back and it was the Spartans, I thought I was talking to the same players. Because, you know, the colors was the same and everything. But anyway, let's talk about kids football.
Nobody's over here. Stop. No, towards the ball.
Jace Gotzi
Wait.
right here
Right there.
safety.
Everything out of the backfield, Christian. Buzz your feet. Drop back two. Buzz your feet. Right there. Stop.
And the snap.
Go pull the flags. There we go.
Don't stop. Just go. No dancing at all. Let's go.
It's going to be a 5-yard gain by the Bolts. Looks like it was, who's that on the carry, sir? Josh on the, Josh what?
Wheeler.
Josh, Hot Wheels on the carry.
Wait for get 20.
He said his real name. I was trying to make sure I got the Hot Wheels right so much that I forgot his real name temporarily. He said Josh. I was like, what?
It's Josh.
Step up, Jay. Step up. There you go.
Okay, we got Jace over here to the left-hand side. He's in the slot. There's a bunch formation across from him.
Outside, Jace. That's you.
Go.
He gets him on the second try. Jace Gotzi with the stop.
Hey, good job. Deep in front of you. Hey, you don't drop unless there's nothing.
All right, I need to get my clock running, guys. Sorry about that.
What's in front of you, what the receivers are doing, right? Both of them.
We'll just take an estimate. We'll say we're at 11 right now.
Hey, who coaching our offense?
Yeah, watch it.
Huh?
I will say this, if this was a lot of other promotions, the referees would have ignored what you guys said and went on about their business. But, you know, at USA Flag, we got the hat right here.
Man. I'm trying to support, you know what I'm saying?
USA Flag, they're getting it right, man.
Yeah, I got this when we was in Tampa after we won the championship. I had to, I had to remember that.
You know, it's a world championship.
World championship in Tampa.
You see, you just said champions. You got to put the world on. It was a globe
I
attached
like
to
the way
that
you
joint,
said
you know?
I like the way you said it better. After we won the world championship, I had to buy me a hat to celebrate.
Hey, man, I will say this. It's a stoppage in play, but at least they're taking the time to get it right.
Rep, what's the problem?
All right, well, while we have a chance, man, let's go ahead and we'll get a word from Shop. Wow, I have too many things.
Hey. Okay, we fix it. So we're not gonna penalize them from this point on. We're not gonna penalize them. Okay, so we're not gonna penalize them.
Why we not gonna penalize him? Why we not gonna penalize him? Everybody gotta know the rules. He's only got 25. I thought we were still.
I got quick clock. All right. I got it now.
All right, we're back to the action. Bolts on offense, takes the snap.
That's you. Hey, you got the slam. You gotta see that outside.
And that's going to be a punt. And the Bulldogs come up with their first stop of the game. 0-0 ball game, 8 minutes. Well, I'll get a clock update. There was a stoppage. Hey, ref, what you got on the clock? Or contact. You got the clock? Oh. 9 minutes. I'm not off too bad.
25 snap.
Yeah, I hooked up with Game Changer, so I'm gonna have me a field pass. You know, you gotta make some connections. I can't make all enemies.
15 to snap.
Puts a man in motion.
1,000. 1,000. Good, Speedy. Good. Let's go. Ball.
The one play that I'm close to Speedy is the one he doesn't break for a touchdown. I was just thinking in my mind, this is gonna be a perfect shot. Got to that center.
1,000. 1,000.
Drops it down.
First down. No, it's ball, Mo. No, it's ball. It's ball. It's ball.
He arguing that because they did feet with his 16 team last game. That's why you are.
Hey, 22.
That one's on the last crew. They called feet when they lost their first round pool play on 16. I will say this ref crew has it right. It is ball. Takes the snap. Oh, drops it down to Cayenne. And he's going to put this one in the end zone. Cayenne bringing the spice on that one. Touchdown, Cedar Park.
Hey, good job.
Nice throw by the young quarterback.
Oh, you got it.
Number 24 for the Bulldogs.
15.
Takes the snap.
2 1,000. 3
Oh, that was a great throw. Finds his man at the back of the end zone. Second reception for the receiver of the game.
Hey, 3. That boy. All right, let's go.
And here come the Bulldogs back on defense. They're able to get the first stop of the game.
20.
If there's nothing else, you got to take it. You have to take the slant. Unless something else comes out, you got to see it.
Like I said, 10. We got 4.
Step up, Chase.
Hey, Christian. Watch him take the side. Right there. Step up. Hey, Christian. Hey, I want you to.
And a great run. Cayenne with the stop. Solid run by number 30. Clock one more time, ref. Thank you, sir.
Hey, let's go here.
15.
Step up, split him. Step up.
Line. Back.
5 minutes, 38 seconds.
Step up.
Got it first.
First down for the Bolts.
Hey, you got to get there quicker. Step up.
15.
Pass over. Pass over. Stop.
1,000.
Hey, that's
Good. Good.
Okay, that receiver.
Sorry, that cone flipped over upside down. I couldn't see it. I thought I was looking here.
No, this is the first down right here. So yeah.
No, I was just looking at the wrong cone.
Yeah.
Yeah, they need a bigger ball. That's a bigger ball. That's a bigger ball.
On the other side. 9U. 9U. They got to play this side.
Stop. Give us the right ball then.
Start at 3. Way up. Go.
Right there. Hey, go ahead and slant. Christian, get ready to
1,000.
slant.
2 1,000. 3 1,000.
There it is. Chris, good.
And got a flag guard going against the Bolts.
I got flag guard right here.
Another guy comes out of the backfield. You got to step up that church. You can't worry about the guy in the back.
You got a safety behind you. Just, hey, if he goes past you, if there's still receivers in front of you, you got to pick that.
You got to pick him up.
Third down.
Hey, let's go.
Hey,
let's go. Come on.
Hey, let's go line.
Let's go. Hey, you got to pressure, quick.
Kai, you go.
15.
Kai, go. Hey, stay back.
Step up, Christian. You got to step up, Christian.
Stay back at 7. Jay, stay back. Bunch your feet. Right there. Stay back. Stay back.
Oh, man. Touchdown.
They're going to run the ball a lot. And you're giving them a running start. A lot. All right. They're going to run the ball a lot. They don't have a quarterback to throw.
Score is 6-6, 2 minutes, 38 seconds.
Hey, we got to pull the flag. Let's go.
Hey, let's go.
Come on, I need some intensity, Jay. Let's go. Play some confidence. Step up. Step up.
Split him, Christian. Split him.
Go.
Move up, Christian. Move up. Hey, got doubles over here. Talk. Let's go. Get his feet. Let's go.
Takes the snap.
That's yours, Jace.
Oh, Hartfield got a hand on it.
Why are you not rushing?
Hey, don't have that.
Hold on. I mean, here, let's go. Let's go. Play number 23. Play number 23.
First down, opposite, 25 snap. Hey! 15. 1 time. 2, 3.
Oh, man. And it's like they're underestimating the big man. He keeps finding holes at the back of this defense. A great read by the quarterback, Hartfield.
Nice job, man. Nice job. Way to get open.
Hey, let's go play number play 15.
Hey, let's lock it down, D.
Big shout out to Cane's Chicken in Bedford.
1 1,000. 2 1,000. 3 1,000.
A little bit too low.
Incomplete.
Good read and find by the quarterback.
Coach, you got 1 minute. 1 minute to what? To half? Okay, let's go play number. Let's go play number.
Ball's coming B. Let's go. Hey, Mo. Watch the hit. Hey.
33.
Coach, were you a defensive player?
No, I was a quarterback.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
So we got second generation quarterback?
Yeah, man.
1 1,000. 2 1,000. Get open. 3 1.
Oh, the turf monster all day.
Come on, offense.
How much time did it stop on? Hey, ref, what did it stop on? 45 seconds?
25.
25. Thank you.
We got a timeout at 25 seconds.
My phone just started going dead, and I left my backpack down there. At the end of the field.
You on the Game Changer app, or are you online?
Oh, no, I'm on live right now. I just, you know, I'm ambitious.
Yeah.
It's like, bro, I already got on Adidas, man. What's up? I know all the teams. I'm at a lot of your events for free anyway. You might as well.
You're good.
And
One
the snap.
1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000.
Oh, man. This kid is on fire today. Some tough catches.
Let's go.
Fourth catch of the game. Second touchdown.
Right here.
And he's just got a knack for getting open right now.
Let's go.
15. 1
Takes the
1,000,
snap.
2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000.
Oh, right off his speedy's chest. Is that half?
That's what I'm trying to figure out now. Halftime.
And that'll be halftime. And I'm going to go grab my charger. Bolts are down in this one big as the Bulldogs are handling business.
Hey, if they have, all we're gonna do is they gotta run it back.
All right, folks, we are back. Bulldogs with the football. Oh, it puts it in the air. Cayenne with the catch.
Yes, Cayenne. Yes, Cayenne. Yes, Cayenne.
This is why I like Cayenne. I was late back from that timeout, and he put it. And I got a great highlight because I was standing right at the perfect place.
Great shot.
Hey, tell Speedy get in a little bit tighter. Hey, Speedy, look at the card. What number? Hey, all right, you got it.
Hartfield at quarterback. Puts a man in motion. Cayenne in the slot. Takes the snap. Fakes the handoff. Oh!
I got you.
It's got to be live. I was a lineman. My son is a huge lineman that does stuff that I could never do. So it's like the ultimate creative player on Madden.
That's the only thing we hope for, man. That our kids are better than
They're giving us some space because they know he's so don't be afraid to run right there.
1,000.
Takes the snap.
1,000.
Dumps it down to Speedy.
That's a hole. That's a.
Got it.
I don't know. That kind of looked like he went for the flag and he actually grabbed his arm. If anything, should have been a hole.
He didn't even have the ball.
Flag guard.
Went down.
We're down here.
That was a tough, right? I thought he was going for the flag. He grabbed his arm, so it should have been a. Hey, look, I'm gonna keep the camera this way so you can maintain your credibility.
Still got third down.
Let's go.
Hartfield still at quarterback. He's been cooking all day today.
Right now. Check. Rusher.
Takes the snap.
He went too soon.
Blitz. Oh, hold on. Oh, interception.
Hey, the rusher. Did you check the rusher? Went too soon.
Big time play by Taylor.
The rusher left too soon.
I thought you were about to make I thought you were about to get that on the second tip.
Hey, that's our ball.
We would have went viral, man. We were this close. Next time we got to go viral together. I'll give you half of it.
Remember, type the ball when you're ready.
Any kid that goes viral with me, I'll give him half of whatever I make off. I'm not making anything off of it now, so, you know.
Speedy, Florida. If they got a running back.
Step up.
Let's go.
Takes the snap, hands it off right up the middle.
Block it.
Great pull by Cayenne to shut that one down.
Go to the running back. Go straight to the running back. Ref, watch they got a kid standing right now.
Hot Wheels on the carry. Number 30 for the Bolts.
When we get the ball back, I'm just going to tell you, watch the
Get up there, Speedy. They got a running back. Get up there. No running back. Hey, they can't run, so just drop.
And the snap. Fakes the handoff.
Right there, Jason. Yes, Jason. Yes. That a boy.
And a big time stop by Jace. One-on-one in the corner. He's able.
Okay.
Hey,
with him.
See it? That's what we're talking about. You dropped, and you see you got to come out, and that's yours. Nice job.
Hey, my bad, big dog. We got a future media company owner. Now, you know, if you want to do it, I can put you to work. We can get you a stabilizer. I'm just saying.
Hey. Stay there, Speedy. Drop.
Takes the snap. Passes to Taylor, and Jace Gotzi showing some quick hands, able to snag that one before any damage could
Now
happen.
you're playing. Let's go.
Hey, we need to stop. D. Hey, let's go here. Stop. Hey, right here. Christian, man up.
9, 8, 7,
Who got the running back?
5, 4, 1,000.
Hey,
Taylor with the reception. That's his second catch of the engagement. 12-6 right now.
Bro, they use most of their time to get on the sideline.
Yeah, I will say that. I've watched it. I've been covering them for a couple of years. They do have one weakness.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6,
They're gonna throw short.
5,
Step up.
4, 3, 2,
Speedy, get closer.
1 down. 1 down.
Oh,
No run zone.
man, solid bull. Looks like Jay.
What down is it?
We got 3. We got third. Third down. Third down.
Hey, let's go, D, let's go.
No run. No run.
Hey, y'all got 12-6, right?
Hey, rush.
Yes.
Okay, 12-6 is your score.
No, we scored one of our supports.
Oh, okay.
It's
Well,
should be
he
13.
got score and clock.
Oh, yeah,
so.
13-6. Hey, let's go here. Bro, every time.
10, 9, 8, 7,
I feel like he a power
6,
hog, man. He got
5,
score and clock.
4, 3, 2, 1 down.
Takes the snap.
2, 1
He
down.
jumped. He jumped.
Incomplete.
Golly, come on. He also jumped.
I'm watching.
Let's go. Let's go. Get ready.
And the snap.
2,000. Balls away.
Oh, man, this kid is all over the field. 6th reception of the game, number 86.
18. Hey, Speedy, run hard.
Hey, coach, you got 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes left to go here in the game. No run zone. Hartfield at quarterback.
1,000.
Fakes the handoff to Speedy. Wide in the middle of the field. Just a little bit too much on it.
Bro came open. I know, but no, he wasn't.
It's going to be on YouTube after I download it. Right now it's on Facebook and through my website. Give it to about 7 o'clock. All the games for today will be on YouTube. Takes the snap. Dumps it down to Cayenne.
Got a hold.
Flag on the play. And he's going to get some bonus yards on top of that.
Red flags, red pants. Guys, those are orange. Oh shit, maybe it's my shade. Hey, it might have been my shade.
I always saw that. All right, we got hold in on defense.
Hey, you right.
Look at the rest.
5 minutes, 15 seconds left to go here. Excuse me, 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Bulldogs trying to close this one out.
Hey, fix your flags. Get up.
First down.
First down.
Black box at 15.
And the snap. Fakes the handoff. Blitz coming. Okay, he's on the move. Gets it off to Jace Gotsey for the touchdown. And his first catch in the game may be one of the biggest.
Nice throw, P. Way to buy some time.
Oh, that's going to be good.
Hey. Roll, get in tighter. A little tighter, roll. So give yourself some room. There we go.
Takes the snap. Blitz coming. And an on-time ball. His 7th reception of the game. He's got 1 drop pass in the whole game.
Hey, man. Play the game, man. Play the game. Way to go. Huh? I'm proud of you, man. Way to come out and set the tone. Way to come out and set the tone.
Hey, same thing.
Hey, let's go. Let's finish. Hey, let's finish strong. Let's go. Let's finish. Come on, Christian.
And he did it all with his sock rolled down in his cleat.
Coach, want me to go?
Yes, there's nobody. Hey, Speedy. There's no running back. Wait, check. Got a running back. Speedy. No, you don't go.
Step up, Jace.
Box.
Step up.
1 down.
Good. There it is. Good. Good job. Good job. Hey, hey. Let's go. Head up. Cheers. That was good. Hey. Hey. Rush yourself. Let's go. Hey, remember. Hey, let's go. Hey.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
There you go.
One more time.
And the snap.
Jason, you got one receiver over here, so all you got to do is watch that one guy. Hey, look at me. I'm looking at the quarterback and this receiver. I back up. The quarterback looks at him. I'm getting over there. I'm making a play.
Let's go.
Now you got two split him. Hey, you got help with Preston.
Split him. There you go.
Hey, drop back, budge your feet.
And the snap.
Right there.
Yes, Preston.
Oh, an acrobatic. Big time interception by the quarterback.
Ball. Hold. Hey, great job.
Hey, let's go. Nice shot. Let's go.
All right, no front clock. So 26 seconds left. 26 seconds, no timeouts.
26 seconds, no timeouts.
Good fakes, both of them. Watch them. If you got to rush, be careful. Tighter. Right, I know.
Takes the snap, pulls it out.
Hustle.
Clock is rolling.
Hustle.
Timeout, Devin. You got a timeout.
I already called it. Hey, 20.
Hustle. Get on the line.
No play clock.
This may be the last play of the game. Oh, drops it into Cayenne for a touchdown.
Hey, 1 or 2, coach.
2.
26.
Ball game, go for 2, last play of the game.
And this will be the last play of the game. Hartfield takes the snap, blitz coming. He escapes the blitz, gets the ball off. A little bit too high.
I wanted you to throw the ball.
And that will be the game.
Bro, fantastic game. Hey. That's how we do it.
Well, Coach Hartfield didn't make the walk, so it's on Jeff, man. Tell us about this big. This is actually the largest.
Come talk to Ro.
I
Ro,
am.
player of the game. Player of the game.
Player of the game. Well, you led your team to the largest gap in a victory so far today. Nobody else had really won by more than 7 points. You guys put up a 26-6 victory. So what's your first and last name? Where are you from?
My first name is Roman, my last name is Holmes, and I'm from Plano, Texas.
All right, man. So what was the key to you having such a big game, man? You were effective everywhere you were at on the field. You only dropped one pass on the day. How are you so effective?
I'm not sure. I guess a lot of people say that I'm good at running my routes.
That might be true. Now, if there's a younger athlete, a younger receiver who was out here today, saw what you were doing, and they want some tips or advice, what would you give them?
Probably to work to just keep practicing work on your catching, your route running, and stuff like that.
All right, man. Stars to watch. Big Dog Player of the Game. Cedar Park Bulldogs coming away with the victory. We'll catch up to you guys. We got a couple more games to go. You're watching Semi-Pro Live.
Affiliate. Get 15% off using code SEMIPROLIVE for this.
No, I'm still going.
This. Before you make a purchase, you can even use the visor visualizer.
Hey, Jeff, what time is your next game?
Choose between your favorite colors and make the best decision for your purchase. Oh,
Thank you.
and we talk about the
Have you seen my big old son anywhere?
this weekend?
Dre! Dre!